1. Which of the following best describes the primary benefit of becoming a Xero Certified Advisor? A. Access to reduced subscription pricing on Xero. B. Ability to demonstrate expertise and earn a digital certification badge. C. Unlimited free client subscriptions on Xero. D. Direct authority to approve Xero feature updates. 2. When setting up a new client in Xero, which of the following steps should be completed first? A. Connecting the bank feed. B. Entering the chart of accounts. C. Adding organization details. D. Setting up invoice branding themes. 3. In Xero, what is the purpose of the advisor dashboard? A. To view personal productivity goals. B. To monitor multiple clients' key financial metrics in one place. C. To submit feature requests directly to Xero support. D. To access all Xero partner marketing resources. 4. Which report in Xero would you use to see outstanding amounts owed by customers? A. Aged payables summary. B. Cash summary. C. Aged receivables summary. D. Trial balance. 5. What is the function of bank reconciliation in Xero? A. To generate sales invoices automatically. B. To match transactions in Xero with those in the bank account. C. To eliminate duplicate entries from the chart of accounts. D. To finalize payroll runs. 6. When would you recommend using Xero projects for a client? A. When they want to manage inventory stock levels. B. When they need to track time and costs by specific jobs. C. When they want automated fixed asset depreciation. D. When they want to prepare consolidated financial statements. 7. Which of the following statements is true regarding the Xero certification badge? A. It expires automatically every 12 months. B. It remains valid as long as you maintain core knowledge and P. C. It requires re-examination every 6 months. D. It can only be used in printed marketing material. 8. In Xero, which feature allows clients to send electronic invoices that can be paid directly online? A. Expense claims. B. C. Online invoicing. D. Draft bills. 9. Which type of user role in Xero has full access to all areas, including payroll? A. Standard user. B. Read-only user. C. Advisor. D. Business owner. 10. When importing a chart of accounts into Xero, which file format is supported? A. PDF. B. CSV. C. DOCX. D. XLSX. 11. What is the purpose of tracking categories in Xero? A. To set up automatic journal entries. B. To run reports segmented by business areas. C. To manage user permissions. D. To automate payroll deductions. 12. Which reconciliation method in Xero enables you to match one bank statement line with multiple invoices? A. Bank rule matching. B. Split transactions. C. Find a match. D. Cash coding. 13. A client wants to see their cash flow projection. Which Xero tool would you recommend? A. Budget Manager. B. Business Snapshot. C. Short-term cash flow. D. Fixed Asset Register. 14. What is the main benefit of using cash coding in Xero? A. It automates payroll calculations. B. It accelerates processing of large volumes of bank transactions. C. It creates recurring invoices. D. It generates client proposals. 15. Which of the following is not a step in the Xero bank feed setup process? A. Connecting directly with the client's bank. B. Uploading a PDF statement. C. Importing statements via CSV. D. Confirming bank account details. 16. When would you use the Find and Recode tool in Xero? A. To adjust payroll pay runs. B. To correct multiple misclassified transactions at once. C. To delete closed invoices. D. To merge duplicate suppliers. 17. Which Xero subscription plan includes multi-currency features? A. Starter. B. Standard. C. Premium. D. Basic. 18. In Xero Payroll, which of the following is automatically calculated? A. Employee's personal income tax. B. Annual employee bonuses. C. Staff training reimbursements. D. Director dividends. 19. Which report in Xero helps compare budgeted figures against actual performance? A. Account Transactions Report. B. Budget Variance Report. C. Cash Summary Report. D. Trial Balance Report. 20. When setting up repeating invoices in Xero, which of the following can you customize? A. Payment Gateway Setup. B. Frequency and due dates. C. Bank feed import rules. D. Multi-currency settings. 21. A client asks you to monitor which customers are overdue. Which feature provides this? A. Accounts receivable aging. B. Cash coding. C. Chart of accounts. D. Payroll dashboard. 22. How does Xero handle fixed assets? A. Through a fixed asset register that calculates depreciation. B. By automatically recognizing fixed assets during bank reconciliation. C. By manually adding them in payroll settings. D. Through the invoice branding theme. 23. Which security feature is recommended for Xero login? A. CAPTCHA only. B. Single sign-on only. C. Two-step authentication, 2FA. D. Firewall installation. 24. What is the benefit of connecting Xero to third-party apps via the App Store? A. Reduces subscription costs. B. Expands functionality for specialized business needs. C. Increases payroll deductions automatically. D. Eliminates the need for financial reports. 25. Which user role in Xero is best suited for an external bookkeeper needing access to bank reconciliation and reports? A. Read-only user. B. Standard user. C. Payroll admin. D. Invoice-only user. 26. What does the Xero HQ platform provide advisors? A. Access to client marketing databases. B. Centralized management of clients, insights, and updates. C. Payroll automation across multiple organizations. D. Banking integration approvals. 27. In Xero, how can you ensure V8 GST returns are filed correctly? A. By checking the aged payables report. B. By using the sales tax report. C. By importing payroll data. D. By updating invoice branding. 28. What feature in Xero allows you to automate categorization of transactions? A. Chart of accounts. B. Bank rules. C. Tracking categories. D. Budget manager. 29. Which of the following cannot be edited after a bill is fully paid in Xero? A. Contact name. B. Invoice branding. C. Amounts and tax rates. D. Reference field. 30. What is the key difference between draft and awaiting approval invoices in Xero? A. Draft invoices can be sent to customers. B. Awaiting approval invoices are pending authorization. C. Draft invoices appear in reports. D. Awaiting approval invoices cannot be deleted. 31. Which of the following is a key step in becoming Xero certified? A. Completing online learning modules and assessments. B. Paying a separate certification license fee. C. Attending mandatory in-person classes. D. Completing a client case study review. 32. Which reconciliation method is best for high transaction volumes? A. Manual reconciliation. B. Cash coding. C. Find and match. D. Statement upload.